Espoir key not found error messages pop up in spite of the key connected to the computer. Try to uninstall and install the Espoir key again by running these batch files in administrator mode on DOS prompt.
Click Windows button on the keyboard and select Search option. Type CMD. Select Command Prompt and right-click on Run as Administrator. Change the path by typing cd command. To uninstall the Espoir key, type rem Espoir key. This will take few minutes. Wait till it comes on command prompt. To install the Espoir key, again type inst Espoir key. Again wait till you get next command prompt. Close the window and run Espoir program.
If Espoir key not found error messages pop up in spite of the key connected to the computer, please get in touch with Espoir team on smile@espoirtech.com or call on 967-367-0528.